Welcome back to another Flow Designs video, guys. Today we're working on the Kia Cerato GT. This is the facelift edition.
I think that name gets run around too much, GT. These days.
GT? GT, mate. GT means luxury, fast,
Grand Touring.
Grand Touring. You know.
Great traction.
Yeah. Alright, so two things I'm going to guarantee you today. There will be coffees involved.
Good boy, good boy.
Alright. I'm going to give you three things. So coffee. Yeah. Secondly, this is going to be packaged to the shit house.
Yeah, any Twinkies?
Right, no chocolates in there. All your hardware is going to be stainless steel, so we know it's not going to rust. But I'll open this now, and these guys really over-engineer their packaging. Give me a sec. See what I mean? That ain't going nowhere. Like, $10 for. How much is this one? Very well packaged. Alright, so rear diffuser is first. Now it's got a plastic under tray, held on by a couple of clips.
Yeah, be
Pop
gentle.
those out.
These clips, mate.
Do you want a second screw shovel?
I'm not even gonna say it. Yeah, give me a second.
How many of those? 3, 4?
1, 2, 4. I can count, and then there's only that. Oh.
Any bolt at the back?
The rocks are for free, so keep your eyes away. Yeah, there's there's two 10 mils, or 3 10 mils, but do we have to? You don't have to pull them off.
Well, luckily, Flow Designs give you a great instruction set.
Loosen and slip out.
Let me read and get back to this.
Two 10 mils, and then the middle one is bigger.
So, simple instructions. Remove existing rear under tray before installation. Very good.
Okay. Sorry.
I've noticed too, they've painted all their stainless steel bolts black. I like.
Huh?
They were all like raw stainless steel. Now they've painted them all black.
You know that?
Very nice.
Well, but because stainless steel can still get a bit of rust, you know that?
Yeah, much better than, you know, non-stainless.
Because black is sexy. The middle, there's like a middle plastic nut, but you just undo it with your hand.
Oh, nice.
Is it? I don't know. Oh, just sorry. Talking shit. That just slides out.
Alright, so 4 clips and 2 10 mils.
Easy.
So if you're like my brother-in-law and gives the car to you filthy, get yourself some smooth as spray wax.
Because it's gonna sit hard up against this, I'm guessing, or close to it. So we want to clean this now. And Matt, we want to thank you for cleaning the car before you gave it to us.
Yeah, thanks, mate. I know it's been raining for 6 weeks, but that's no excuse.
You're a top bloke, buddy.
That's no excuse.
Make sure when you come, you bring us some coffees, okay? Right. This is the bit you don't want to stuff up. Double check it, L2. Wait, is this the right way?
Yeah, can I get one way, Chief?
Okay, alright. Sure?
Yeah. I think so. Yeah, it was just underneath, yeah.
Amateurs. Nah, because this is something you don't want to stuff up, bro.
We're just showing you that your average Joe can do it.
Or Rob.
Or Rob.
Yeah.
Mentally unstable bloke here. Alright, so it reuses...
Does that diffuser go back on the original one?
Yes. So it reuses the original hole. We'll use that for guiding, but we will have to drill more holes.
Yeah, but I'm guessing we're going to have to pull these back out for the diffuser.
Bolt A's you remove, bolt B's you leave in,
Okay.
and then bolt A goes through all 3 components.
Can you tell me which is which? Because I'm under here. I can't see bolt A, bolt B, C. These are not supposed to be in there, but we're just putting them now so that to replicate if I was doing it by myself, I had no one to help me. So this is going to just help me support. But these have to come out. But we're going to put all the, drill all the holes and put bolt Bs in there first. And then we can go with the A's and the diffuser, the original diffuser can go back on.
Yeah, so the idea of bolt A is to hold the bumper, the flow designs and the original diffuser.
Yeah, and then we want to make sure that each end where the exhaust is even.
Yeah.
So by eye or by hand or where flow design has chamfered it in, pretty much will line up with the edge of the bar. So you can't go wrong. They've really nailed it. Elizabeth Street and Victoria Road.
Like my coffee cup.
You want a coffee? Did you make him a coffee?
He doesn't drink coffee.
Tea?
Coffee, man.
You want a tea?
You want a tea? That's married life, bro, right? You married yet or what?
Married, come on, Rob.
Yeah, true, sorry.
So the drilled bolts stay in.
Yep.
The original diffuser slides back in.
Yep.
And then you use the existing holes to mount all 3 together. Nice and easy.
Easy. Alright, so we're going to put these ones in here. These fellas, yeah? Oh, let's see what they're doing here. But it's very tricky. You gotta get your arm in there.
So from the rear diffuser you'll be left with 4 clips, no longer used. They're replaced with bolts.
And drill one hole.
Now this one, the rear spats, the spits. No, I don't know.
Ah, there your...
Instruction says just remove the original clips.
Yep.
Remove the splash guard.
Yeah, and drill the holes.
Drill the holes, bolt that in, and then
Yeah.
reinstall the splash guard.
Yeah, you don't use the original holes,
Nah.
but...
Nah.
Okay, alright, let's go. The rock is very... Thanks, Matt.
Out of 10, how easy is it?
This is 8. That's 10. Because I'm left-handed. I'm not left-handed. You get me?
Alright, so for these side skirt extensions, we just got to remove all the Phillips heads. That will gain us access to underneath, and then we can start drilling. What can you tell us about this?
Huh? What can you tell us about this side skirt? Not much room for your fingers.
Fat finger, big problem.
Yeah. So there's no washer goes on the top. It's just the nut. They're not locking nuts, so you can basically just jam your finger in there. Start it by hand so it grabs, and then Allen key it until you feel it bite. Basically. If you want one of these tools, Bosch, if they still make them.
Beautiful. Alright, I think we're at the halfway point by now. Got the rear end all done. Well, one side skirt done, we're gonna do the other and then the front end. Side skirt, little room to play with, so it does get a bit fiddly towards the back or towards the front, whichever way you start. Not impossible. It doesn't help that the car's all wet and there's all mud in underneath, but just take your time with it. It's fairly straightforward once you pre-drill your holes. It's just that it's a little bit tight to get your fingers in, but not impossible. Now, the front splitter comes with instructions and an installation video. So 1000 is not clear enough. There's one there to follow. That's your inner bar brace that will be installed like that, and that will line up with these holes. First things first, we're going to remove this splash tray. So a couple of clips and 10 mils, Rob.
10 mil. Splash cover off. Fit there.
Yeah, so the first bolt on the edge is the shortest one, 30 mil. You've got 2 washers. After that, it's the next bolts.
What you do is you put here and you use your gut to put the pressure on. See? That bot come into use, mate. Okay, so we're gonna slide this in.
Should be able to see from the top.
Get them to roughly where it's got to be. Right, now drop your phone out. So guys, you've got to, the best way we've found is to start from the middle and then work your way outwards. And when you're sliding that other plastic piece, that channel in there, you might have to just pull down on the bar a little bit so you can get that channel in further, because there's the bumper supports that are pretty on either end of that channel there. If you have to, just get like a long screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, once you've drilled the hole, stick it through so you can sort of see where it's at to align it. And when you tighten it, don't full send, not even send, just like nip it up until it's nice and tight, and that's it. You know what I mean? Because like we said before, you're not going to be standing on it or anything. But yeah, perfect, easy. Take your time, give us some love. But everything's lined up perfectly. All these corners are perfect, like we always say, it's a well-designed kit, and pretty straightforward. The instructions are really good, and then obviously with the help of our video, easy. Threaded holes here, so it's easy install and removal. You know what I mean? So you got like business on the weekdays and then party on the weekends. Sorry, it's just my eyes are not the best for that one. Okay. It's pretty cool. And then obviously we can adjust how far it sits in or how far we want it out. You know what I mean? That's your Saturday night and that's your Sunday. Sunday look.
So we'll do all this side first and then see what it looks like. So what have you got there?
So we can either add this piece on here, just like that.
Which is adjustable, yeah?
Which is adjustable, yep. Everything's adjustable. And then we've got the add-on here, which is also adjustable, but I'll get underneath to get it right. So from there, you can pretty much go all the way snowplow. Look. If we want to wing it, we can go the full midnight special, man. Special.
So now you got the double whammy.
They'll got the double banger, yeah. Not too subtle.
And then you can also take that off and just have that one.
Yeah.
And then it'll match the sides if you choose to run those. And that's what the optional back ones.
Optional backs.
So those ones there, they don't have
Yeah.
the holes. So you'd have to undo two.
Yeah.
And then choose where you want it and then bolt it down.
That's two.
Nah, it's in the tire, mate.
So same with this one. You've got pretty much there.
Yeah.
All the way out to here.
Okay.
So I don't know. I think it'd look fine just with those back.
Side back winglets. That one,
Side back
those ones there.
winglets, yeah.
It's all personal choice. So we made a boo-boo. That's the correct one now.
Alright, so the real one goes this way. See, that's why you got to read instructions, guys. That's the real one there.
That makes more sense.
See? Looks nice side on.
Yeah. Okay. So that's the way it's meant to go.
Now, if you really want to mix shit up.
This is not endorsed by Flow Designs, Rob.
Yeah.
Okay, but not today, I think.
No, you're probably going to get some wind noise from that one. That's where you rest your feet. You're talking to someone. That's why I was a skid.
Okay. Hey, if you're rocking the kit, you gotta rock the air freshener.
The air freshener as well. Chuck a couple stickers on there.
Same with that side.
So we've optioned for no winglets on the rear, one on the side skirt, nothing on the front of the side skirt, and here we've gone the whole shebang.
This is called wingology.
But this is subtle. It's a little
cheeky wing. Oh, mark go down.
Oh, is it the roller wrap? It's gotta be precise.
That's what happens when you're a mechanic by trade, mate. Everything gotta be
Precision.
precision, mate.
Alright, we're gonna take it out and wash it. It's too dirty to show you guys, man. We should have washed it at the start, but it was raining. Now it's not bad, but
Not bad. Not bad.
wash it and show you the final look. Alright, the car's all gone now. Job's done. What took us a couple of hours because we had a few customers stop by, but yeah, how easy was it, eh?
Yeah, it was quite easy, straightforward instructions, like we said, on top of its game. And then with this video, we'll just help you along, just to give you like a quick rundown.
Yeah, but yeah, between the instructions and how they've made it so easy to fit, like, doesn't take much forward, eh?
Yep.
Tools, we only used a 6 and 8 mil drill bit, a 10 mil spanner, and an Allen key.
Yeah, and the
That's it,
10
eh?
mil socket.
10 mil socket, yeah.
And then that's about it.
A couple of screwdrivers
Yep.
with the clips. That's
Yep.
it.
And just like to thank Flow Design for giving the opportunity to do all this. And
That's it. Until the next one.
go online and buy your kit.
Thanks, guys.